Thank you for joining us. Today we will install an Airline in an irrigation well with a submersible pump. Installing the Airline will allow the well bubbler to measure the well level automatically several times per hour. To start Airline installation, find an access port on your well seal, motor pedestal, or gear head. The Airline is sold in 1,000-foot rolls and includes a weight bead kit. The weight beads are less than ½ inch in diameter, and the Airline is very flexible, but rated for 300 psi of air pressure. Our Airline caddy includes a length counter for a quick, convenient installation. The caddy can be purchased or rented through the web store. Install the Airline in the caddy and route the end of the Airline through the length counter. Slide the push-to-connect fitting about 3 feet from the end of the Airline. Then install the weight beads. These beads are made from nickel-coated brass and are safe for use in potable water wells. Do not substitute with beads made from lead or other materials. Install the second fitting just below the beads, then the stem-to-tube adapter. Slide the protective cap over the stem. This will keep oil, dirt, and debris out of the Airline during installation. The Airline is now ready for installation into the well. The Airline should be set just above the pump. This will allow for well level measurement all the way to the pump set depth. Do not set the Airline deeper, as the pump may ingest or swallow the beads. This will result in pump damage or failure. To begin installation, spray the beads, fittings, and Airline with food-grade lubricant. Continue spraying the Airline during installation. This will prevent it from snagging or catching on downhole equipment and wiring. Lower the Airline, keeping track of the depth on the caddy length counter. Make sure that the weight of the beads can be felt at all times. If the Airline goes slack, pull up until you feel the weight of the beads again, then continue installation. If the beads snag on downhole equipment, pull up on the Airline to release them. The beads will fall to the bottom of the well, and the Airline can be retrieved. Use a cord grip or strain relief to hold the Airline in place against the well seal or motor pedestal. To maintain measurement accuracy, the Airline must not slide into or out of the well after installation. Route the Airline towards the well bubbler. The well bubbler is designed with a push-to-connect fitting and accepts 1/4 inch Airline. The transition from the small diameter Airline you have just set, use the push-to-connect adapter fitting and a short section of the 1/4 inch Airline included with your bubbler. The bubbler can be disconnected from the Airline at any time, and a single unit can be used to monitor multiple wells.